Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the world record airplane by John Collins. Okay, so we'll start off with an A4 sheet of paper. We'll be taking one corner to the left hand side of the page, just like this. Okay, and then we'll just fold this crease down. And then we'll open that back out and we'll do the same with the next side as well. Okay, so the opposite corner to the opposite side. Okay, now you should have this X in the middle, as you can see there, and we're going to fold the top right hand corner along the line I just pointed out. Okay, just like this. Okay, that's good. So now we're just going to crease this down. If you need to, you can use your thumbnail. I find that very helpful, and just define the crease a bit more as well. Okay, so you see we have like a line created by the X we previously made. We're just going to line that up, and we're going to make a similar shape to this. Okay, so currently you should have this shape, and it also should be lining up with one of the lines of your X. Okay, makes sense. Brilliant, now you should have this shape. Pretty easy so far, and it does remain quite easy. Okay, so now we're going to fold it down, like so, and you should find some creases there. So if you fold your paper like this, and you'll see a big X there, you want to hit the center of that X, so where the two lines intersect, right in the center. And you can do this, you can be using the bottom two lines there as a reference. They should be lining up with the bit we previously folded, like so. Okay, that's how you know where to stop folding the thing. So just pull that crease down. Now here you can see this is like what you might do to a standard airplane. You're just going to fold it in, like here. That shouldn't be too. So you're going to do that with the other side as well. Okay, now you see the bottom of the pentagon forming. You're just going to flatten the crease down there after folding it in. Okay, so if we turn it around now, you can be folding it, and make sure the two corners at the back and the nose, they hit each other clean. That's the most important. Anyway, now onto the wings. We have this current shape. This is what you should have. It's been pretty easy so far, and it should stay that way. Okay, so now John Collins, he made this plane. He said the most suitable area to fold the wing is you should see a little triangle forming there. When you see that triangle go, that's just about the perfect place. That's where you should make the crease, because it's really suitable and appropriate for generating enough lift for it to glide. Okay, and then we just do the same with the other wing. That should be an easy. Okay, so we should have this shape. It looks like a normal airplane. So yeah, but that is not it, of course. So we need to enforce a positive behavior. What this basically means is the wings, they are positives, they are slanted a bit upwards. Okay, and this generates stability. So if it tilts, then that makes it stable, which really helps with flight. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to enforce some elevators. So this can simply be done by pushing the corners on either end. This will generate some lift.